Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to scan and solve a question using Gauth AI Study Companion. Now to scan and solve a question, head to the website like this. As you can see, I'm already in the website. You can see it. You can use gauthai.com to find it. You can use Gauth to find it. You can use Gauth AI Study Companion also find it. Now what you will do here is just click on this search bar. You see it will zoom. If you are using smartphone, just switch to the desktop mode in order to make it look like this. Now what you will do is just click on this image here. Click on this image. As you can see, it will pop up this. Now you can either take a picture of it here by clicking this camera, or just upload it by clicking this one. What you will do now is just click this one here in order to upload the question. You see the questions. What you do now is just go to the storage or where you kept the question in your file manager or in your storage. What you do here is just click on the question like this and wait for it. As you can see, it is uploading. As you can see, it is solving the question. Now wait for it. As you can see, it has solved the question. This question I just uploaded now is a high profile question in English. You see, and also it will show you expert verification. You see the expert verification rate. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Thank you for watching. Watch this video in order to know how to use this Gauth AI